I decided to go for some short course like the baking stuff before joining because I had passion in foods and nutrition. That is where we cook, we bake, and do other stuff. So as I was joining the institute, probably I loved the baking, I loved the front office. When I heard about hotel management, I really chose Institute of Social Work as my best choice because I knew it would groom me well and probably put me like to a better grade where I wanted to see myself in the future.
Okay, expected to hear things like I was moving up and down, I'm looking for which platform I can join.
Not really.
Okay. Your time. Firstly, how did you get to know about the pageant?
The pageant? I wasn't so much aware about the pageant, by the way, but at school, my beautiful tutor called Madame Florence. She probably called me out and she was like, you really have to showcase and you really have to shine. There is a chance for you. So she managed to register me in the pageant.
She then registered you?
Yeah, she registered me in the pageant, connected me to those people, and that's where I got to know about it. She was like, I know you're sharp, I know you can do it, I love the confidence, so you can really represent us so well.
Did you ever find out how she got to know about it?
I wasn't so aware, but I was so surprised that we're a big number at school, but she probably chose me to go and represent everyone. Yeah.
What do you think she considered amongst the big number at school? What do you think she considered to see that this girl can bring us a crown at home?
I think, according to how I see myself, I love being so confident. I love the public speaking. Yeah, and having a sense of purpose. So I think with that, she was able to say that, please go and represent us so well.
Or maybe you are a bit close, like friendly.
Not really. No, but she's my friend. Yeah.
Because I feel amongst the thousands of students, then you're chosen as one. I would think that you're this student who is so close to her.
I'm actually a friend to many.
Because I believe there were some other students who were confident, who were visionary, who were strong, like they could go and then achieve whatsoever that she was looking at,
Probably it's because first of all, I'm a friend to many. I love community engagement. I love showcasing, building up the confidence and having a sense of purpose. Yeah.
That is why she chose you. Okay, the boot camp.
Yeah.
That is what everyone, I've met almost the girls who have been in that boot camp. But everyone is excited about, they're not excited about the crown, but about that time of the boot camp.
The boot camp. If I talk about the boot camp, I can't finish everything. It was really a great experience. So wonderful to me. I really enjoyed it. At first, I could smile. I really thank the Department of Miss Agriculture because they groomed us so well. The enjoyment, the sports that we had, the fans, interacting with the different people, different queens from different backgrounds. I really enjoyed it. I love the fact that everyone was supposed to engage and take part in the sports. This is where I saw myself. I felt like at one point that I couldn't, fit in that group. I couldn't imagine seeing myself running because there were many activities like surprise. The most interesting part of it was the round game whereby you're in the circle, they start asking you how much, how many, you're like this number. I really enjoyed everything. I was so happy.
What was that common game for you whereby you were so common in that? Because when I see you putting on Miss, it is sports.
Yeah, that's sports point.
Yes. Then there was that particular game where you were always common and be recognized, and they could see that actually here you're really the best, right?
Yeah. I love the sack race. In the boot camp, they probably gave us groups, and they were like, according to these groups, people are going to cooperate, get strategies, and you're like, everyone is supposed to bring out their best, make sure your team is the best. I really enjoyed it. I didn't know I can run for my group, but I was like, we really have to win. It was probably like, it was the group 2, but we were like, we have to shine. And everyone was like, group 2, oh yeah, group 2, oh yeah. I really enjoyed it. Seeing myself running. You